Nava Nija Urja. Spiritual energies are different from place to place, nation to nation, planet to planets. Cosmic energies are totally different from all types of intermediary energies fields. So, yogic energies have got very powerful versions to feel the great transformative ways to feel the love of God and God consciousness. There is meaning for a beautiful life in this planet in this righteousness. Nijessai Straight, business, spirituality and prosperity together concept, so that many can feel the get-togetherness or soul gatherings more profound in talking about M is spirituality. That's love of God. And God conscious men and women in GlobeMenons associated glory for self-realization, cosmic realizations of energy fields. Many ask what Jesus taught. I said, I do not bother about the past masters, but they were misunderstood by human beings. Jesus never talked about cost. He was talking about God and God consciousness, that energy fields, but he's been interpreted as the Holy Ghost. Jesus was not lost at all. Then where is the question of holiness comes? So many know that energy fields are made to confuse human beings. Many talk about Krishna's energies. Krishna never talked about anything about any type of ghost or any wrong energy fields. He was talking about the ultimate ways of perceiving spiritual energies. So Jesus talked about the spiritual energies of Father, and Krishna talked about the spiritual energies. Then he said, Natat pasayade suryahar na shashangahar na pavaga yet gatva nani vartande tathama paramam mama. What type of energy fields he was talking about? So, almost all the spiritual personalities are misunderstood or misinterpreted by so many. Then I talk about peculiar energy fields of Nava Nija Urja that clarifies my stand in tune with ME spirituality, cosmic energies, the loving energies, then that will never give any type of complicated wars in the name of religions and various other low energy fields. So this planet is for evolution. This planet is not for world war or any complicated wars. But confusions and various wrong energy fields have to be transformed into good energy fields. That's why transformation becomes my subject. Messengers of Love and Religion of Love talks about the transformative ways of one perceiving divinity everywhere. Then there is meaning for a new millennium. To guide, guard, and protect MESSOULS through me space power, 51 crores of housewarming is made or made. All those who really want to be guided, guarded, protected by MESSOULS version, they should think about joining me unit space. That takes care of 22/7/9 ways of one energy fields. Kingdom of MESSOULS. It's only for bachelors and spinsters. In the concept of bachelor bungalow souls and spinster bungalow souls, so that there will be adequate adaptability to feel one's own presence in the process of liberation salvation, and various wonderful things to create destiny of every soul in me unit space. Space power. Me space for MESSOULS. Love to all. There is no comparison between spiritual personalities, but there is comparison in energy fields to make evolution a reality. Nij Yogic ways. The Nij Yogic tree, business, spirituality and prosperity together create huge wealth to feel the beautiful life in this planet. Beyond sins and virtues, soul consciousness. Beyond gender difference and race differences, soul consciousness. Soul source economy. Love to you all. Navnijam Urjas. 22/79 Cosmic Security for MESSOULS. Bachelors and spinsters. Nij Yogis and Nij Yoginis.
എന്നെ മനസ്സിലാക്കുന്നതിന് മുൻപ് നിങ്ങൾ ആരെന്നറിയൂ. എന്നെ മനസ്സിലാക്കുവാനുള്ള നിങ്ങളുടെ അർഹത കൂടി നിങ്ങൾ അറിഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങൾ ഉണരുകയായി. In spirituality, there was a word, that is, when one knows what is to be known, then everything is known. When many get awakened by God consciousness, many will learn so many things that is unknowable through human ways, but through cosmic ways it will be made knowable. Human life is a precious gift of God or cosmic consciousness. Do not waste it. Utilize it for realizing one's own divinity and God consciousness, yogic consciousness. വ്യാഖ്യാനങ്ങൾക്കും അതീതമാണ് ദൈവബോധം. ആധ്യാത്മികമായിട്ടുള്ള ബോധമുള്ളവർ പറയുന്ന ഒരു കാര്യമെന്താണ്? ജന്തുനാം നരജന്മം ദുർലഭം. ഒരു മനുഷ്യജന്മം കിട്ടിയതിൽ ദൈവത്തോട് നന്ദി പറയണം. അത് ശരിക്കും ഉപയോഗിക്കാൻ കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അതിൽ വേറെ എന്ത് ഹാപ്പിനെസ് ഉണ്ട്? അതാണ് റിയലൈസ് വൺസ് ഓൺ ഹാപ്പിനെസ് ത്രൂ സ്പിരിച്വാലിറ്റി. തിരിച്ചറിയാൻ സാധ്യതയുള്ളവർക്ക് വേണ്ടി മാത്രം പറയുന്ന വാക്കുകളാണിവ. മീ വേർഡ്സ് ആർ only for MESSOULS. Nijessai groups, highest 3 syllabus. Me space power for MESSOULS. Do not try to evaluate me, but evolve with me. I give evolution, highest education through spirituality. Love to you all.